Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm excited. This is HISENSE Soundbar AX5125H with Dolby Atmos 500 watts soundbar, 5.12 channel design. Immerse you in sound with horizontal and vertical sound stage. Enjoy room filling sound plus DTS Visual X and Dolby Atmos. Bring an epic 3-dimensional sound to your favorite or TV show and movie. It comes with wall-mountable wireless rear speaker that lets you hear even the smallest of details, no matter what you are listening to. Also got 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer that bring movie to life with heap of bone rattling bass, 7 equalizer preset, so you can choose the best setting for what you are watching. In terms of connectivity, HDMI, AUX, optical and AUX. You can enjoy hook up any kind of TV. You can connect it to your phone with Bluetooth or plug in a USB to play your favorite music straight from your soundbar. Sync your soundbar and TV for an immersive audio feast that turn every song into a live concert experience. Preset mode, so you have music, movie, news, game, sports, night, and AI. 4K pass through. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. Information pack, power cable, another power cable here, optical cable is included, HDMI cable is included, wall mount, remote control, the rear speaker, and the second rear speaker. This is the subwoofer here. Nice. This is the soundbar. Brilliant. So the front got metal grill, on top you got some fabric clothing, then at the back is plastic. This is the subwoofer. And see what it looks like. So the front is metal, at the back is wood. Rear speaker, at the back is plastic, the front is metal. The same thing, the front is metal, the back is plastic. This is optical and HDMI cable, handy. Remote control uses AAA battery. The battery is included, so the battery and wall mount are put together. AAA battery. So this is what is included in the packaging. This is the soundbar here. Rear speakers, remote, power cable. So we have 4 power cables here. Then optical and HDMI cable and subwoofer. So to set this up, what you need to do is take the power cable, connect it to the back where it's written AC in. So the power cable goes in here, AC in. And the ports are AUX, optical, USB, HDMI out, AUX, and HDMI in. These are the ports. So basically use the power cable, the one that is a bit bent, connect it to the rear speaker. So take the straight one, hook it up to the soundbar. Then connect it to the socket. So take this cable, connect it to the rear speaker. Now take the other cable, connect it to the subwoofer. If you look at the subwoofer, steady blue light. The light is highlighting here, steady blue light for the rear speaker. Now take the remote control, push this down, the cover down. So on the right side, the negative goes on the top, on the right side, the positive on the bottom. Then on the left side, the positive goes on the top, the negative goes to the bottom on the left side. Then slide the cover back up. This soundbar is showing us AR. If you don't have the remote control, you can also control this from the top here. So you switch it on and off. The next one is the input. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. Now we're going to connect this to your laptop using AUX cable. So if you take the AUX cable, then you hook it up to the headphone set section to your laptop. It will ask you which device you want to plug in. Then you select headset, select OK. Now you take this end of the cable, connect it to the soundbar AUX port. So go at the back of the soundbar and hook it up to the AUX port. You need to make sure you get long cable. My cable is a bit short, just bringing it very close. So you need to make sure you get a decent long cable. Now the next thing you need to do is use the input to select AUX. So it's now in AUX in your laptop. Then you select the music you want to play.
Don't know where the past went yet.
Thank you very much, guys. I'm happy with this sound bar. It deserves your attention. It's value for money. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is how to hook this up with your laptop using AUX cable. Thank you.